want to wish the Reggae Girlz all the best as they head off to their second consecutive World Cup tournament via their pre-tournament training camp in Amsterdam. And look, 10 or 15 years ago, if someone had bet me that Jamaica's national women's football team would qualify for back-to-back World Cup tournaments, would I lose my shirt and my pants? And I'm going to show how great this achievement is by this core of girls. CONCACAF has the 4-time World Cup champions, the #1 ranked team in the world, the USA, in addition to top-ranked Canada, plus other bigger football nations such as Mexico, Costa Rica, Panama, etc., all competing against Jamaica. Now, a decade ago, the women's football program in Jamaica was suspended. We never had a local women's league. Women's football was basically dead and buried. It was out of that reality that the Reggae Girlz football program rise up like the phoenix to be now headed to their second consecutive World Cup final. Bravo. Bravo. Well